Right, a bit of a different video today, my fellow YouTube friends. Today I'm going to talk about the impact of the lockdown here in Belgium on my daily routine. So I guess since the lockdown began, my schedule changed a little bit. When I go to work during the week, I wake up at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Right now, that's around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Almost noon, actually. While of course it's still fun to sleep long and to have a very good night's rest, that's too long in my opinion. So I saw this nice video today on YouTube about the impact as well of a lockdown on someone's life and how you can change that if you want to change that. And I'm going to change that starting from tomorrow. So here are the other issues besides sleeping very long. That's watching Netflix. When I'm in my couch during the evening, I'm like, it's still a very long day and I can sleep as long as I want to tomorrow. So I'm going to start watching a movie of 3 hours, and then before I know it, it's like 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. at night, and then I go to bed and then I sleep until 11:30, and then I do the same thing over again. So that's why my sleeping schedule is completely off. I can't go to bed, I can't sleep. It's terrible. That's also a bit of an issue in my room right now. Everything I have in my life is laying over here on the couches and stuff, so that's also not good. So I can compare it best with having a student life again. When I was a student and it was vacation, I did nothing the whole day. Sleeping, eating, repeating. Something like that, watching Netflix. At that time there was no Netflix, but hey. And then we don't want that. The last two factors why I'm making this video is, one, I spend too much time on my phone, like for real. Normally I have like, I think a screen time of 2 hours. Right now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've already used this phone for 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is way too much. I have no movement, no sports. I went for a run today, which felt very good, but like all the other days in the week, I sit on my couch, I sit on my chair, I make videos and I don't move. And that's not good. It is time to take responsibility, I think. And starting from tomorrow, I'm going to go to bed at between 11 and 12 this evening. That's about the same hour I go to bed when I have to go to work. And I'm going to wake up at about 8 in the morning and start a good day with a lot of inspiration and go for a walk or for anything else that has something to do with moving my body every single day starting from tomorrow. I still have 2 weeks at least in this lockdown. Maybe it will be longer as well, but we don't know that yet. But I still have 2 weeks to do something about being a total misfit. I don't know the English word, but being someone lazy ass in the couch and stuff. So we don't want that, and we're going to change that starting from tomorrow. So this is it, a bit of a different video today. I'm challenging you to do the same if you haven't already, of course. Maybe you're like, I'm not going to waste my time and just do good stuff instead of laying on the couch, but maybe you're like me and you don't do anything during a lockdown. So starting from tomorrow, things will change, and I'll keep you updated on that with, of course, every single day a new video. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to click that like button and that subscribe button, and I hope I'll see you back tomorrow.